In order to rationalize this denominator, we want our powers of 2x and y to be divisible by 3. This means we want to have 2 cubed, x to the 6th, and y to the 9th. We need to up these powers so that way they're divisible by 3. So to change 2 to the 1 to 2 to the 3, we multiply by the cube root of 2 squared. This means we have to multiply by the cube root of 2 squared x to the 1 y squared. This is so that way the powers sum to multiples of 3. We'll have 2 to the 1 and 2 squared, which is 2 to the 3rd, x to the 5th and x to the 1, which is x to the 6th, and y to the 7th times y squared, which is y to the 9th. Since we multiply our denominator by this expression, we multiply our numerator by the same expression. Now we want to simplify. Our numerator stays the same since we can't pull out any of these factors since they don't appear 3 times. This denominator simplifies to 2 x squared and y to the 3rd. Remember, we're just applying power divided by root to get each of these powers. And we can actually simplify further. The 6 and the 2 reduce to 3 divided by 1, and this power of x reduces with one of the powers in the denominator. In other words, we'll have one more power of x in the denominator than we would in our numerator. This leaves us with our simplified answer. Now, the hardest part to this problem is understanding what to multiply by here. I think if you start by figuring out what your denominator should look like, you'll get there more quickly.